Hello and welcome back everyone. So how you can see the file extension of your files. Okay, so first of all we are going to create a new file here in the desktop. Okay, so I have clicked the right click and you can see the text document. Okay, so I'll give the name test. Okay, test. Okay, you can see the test document doesn't have any extension there are lots of extensions, so it doesn't have it not mean that it have. Okay, so it means we can't see the extension here. Okay, so how we can see the extensions? Okay, so open the file explorer and go to the view option. Here you can click the view option and slide down a little bit and you can see the show option. Okay, and here you can see the file name extension. Okay, so click on file name extension. Okay, and you can now see the test.txt. Okay, so before you can't see the text.txt, but now you are able to see text.txt. Okay, so that's it for this video and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for being here, and if you like this video, please subscribe this channel. Thank you.